This is Foldable number 3 on Unit 3 Life Science, and I chose the topics to be on photosynthesis, cells, animal nutrition, and senses and movements. And how I made the foldable is you just get a blank sheet of paper and you bring both ends together in the middle to meet in the middle like that. And then you fold it hamburger style. So then when you unfold it, you get 4 sections just like this, and then you just cut on the folds. And on the inside of each tab for cells, below are the definitions for plant cells and animal cells. And then there's the images next to it. And for animal nutrition, the terms I chose were nutrients, heterotrophic, diet, minerals, and autotrophic. And on the inside again are just the definitions with an image. And the same goes for photosynthesis, the definition and image. And the same for senses and movements. And for sensitive movements, I chose the terms the 5 senses, involuntary and voluntary movement, and locomotion.